Today we're gonna make this classic Greek seafood salad. To get started on making our Greek seafood salad, we're gonna start with our seafood. So I have here shrimp, calamari, and octopus, all cooked, chilled, ready to go. So I'm gonna add that right to this bowl. And then our vegetables here, we have celery, chopped. And then you're gonna use red onions, but today I wanna use these pickled red onions. And if you click here, you can see my recipe on how to make these pickled red onions. So we're gonna use that for the salad. So I'm gonna add some of these. And then we have some chives. I'm gonna leave some on the top to garnish, and some fresh parsley. So that one's ready, and now for our dressing. So for our dressing, we have olive oil, some fresh lemon juice, perfect. And now we have salt, pepper, oregano, standards for Greek cooking, and some garlic. So we're gonna whisk this together for the dressing. So our dressing's ready, and we also need to add some capers. So I'm gonna do some capers right here onto our salad. Now here's our dressing. We're right on top. We'll mix this together. So look at this seafood salad. This is perfect for entertaining in the spring and summer because you can prep it ahead of time and put it right in the refrigerator and it's ready to go. Look at that salad. Put some fresh parsley on top, and this is ready. For this recipe and many more, check out my website, nikkigleckis.com.